Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom, move heaven and earth?" I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard someone say they'll move heaven and earth to get something done? It's an idiom that means to do everything possible to achieve a goal. To remember the meaning of this idiom, think of someone doing everything they can to accomplish something, even if it seems impossible. It's impossible, but they'll try anyway. Let me tell you a story using the idiom move heaven and earth. Once upon a time, there was a young girl who wanted to be a doctor. She knew it was a difficult path, but she was determined to move heaven and earth to make it happen. Let me tell you a story. John had an interview for his dream job, but the location was far away. He didn't have a car, and public transport was limited. He decided to move heaven and earth to get there, so he woke up early, walked for miles, and even hitchhiked to make it on time. Fun fact: this idiom has its roots in ancient mythology, where gods and goddesses were believed to have control over the heavens and the earth. It was believed that the gods could move heaven and earth to achieve their goals. Example sentence: I will move heaven and earth to be at my sister's wedding. This means doing everything possible to attend the wedding, even if it requires significant effort. Here are some example sentences. She moved heaven and earth to plan the perfect wedding. He'll move heaven and earth to get that promotion. They moved heaven and earth to find their lost dog. Original sentence: I will move heaven and earth to get this job. Rephrased sentence 1: I will do everything in my power to secure this job. Rephrased sentence 2: I will exhaust all possible options to land this job. Real life story: a group of volunteers moved heaven and earth to rebuild a community after a natural disaster. This means they did everything possible to help the community recover. Similar expressions: go to great lengths, leave no stone unturned, spare no effort. These expressions mean to do everything possible to achieve a goal. Just like moving heaven and earth. Opposite expressions: give up, throw in the towel, call it quits. These expressions mean to stop trying, which is the opposite of moving heaven and earth. Related idioms: pull out all the stops, bend over backward. These idioms mean to do everything possible to achieve a goal. Just like moving heaven and earth. Story using related idiom: a group of friends pulled out all the stops to plan a surprise party for their friend's birthday. This means they did everything possible to make the party a success. Quiz: what does the idiom move heaven and earth mean? A. To do everything possible to achieve a goal. B. To move physical objects in the sky and on the ground. C. To give up on a goal. Summary: the idiom move heaven and earth means to do everything possible to achieve a goal. Remember, this expression has its roots in ancient mythology and is still commonly used today. We'd love to hear your story with the idiom. Remember, if you want to achieve something, don't be afraid to move heaven and earth to make it happen.